What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to start with a normal photo and make it looks like this on Canva, all into a simple, fast and effective method. But before we can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. You have no idea how much it helps us. After this, go to your Canva, find your design. In my case, it's gonna be like this. And first thing, review the left sidebar of menus on Canva. You scroll down until you found apps. And once on apps, you're gonna type Musk Pro. Just like this. And here is the guy that I'm looking for. This with the C letter and with a head icon. Click on it. Wait while the page loads. It can take a while. I will not cut the video so you can see the time that it actually takes. It takes time because it's going to be loading all of these amazing shapes. Now imagine that you have one picture. Let me choose one. You can choose from your library because I don't want to add a mask, or you can use the shape library. You must select a file. I'm gonna select this picture of mine, but you can select any file that you want. You can customize the position of the file, the sizing, okay? All simple. Then all you have to do is select a shape. Here is how the photo gonna looks like. For example, like this, maybe like this. Here is one example, another one, this can be very useful to create useful designs, maybe like this, or like this, or maybe like this, right here. All we have to do then, it's click on add to design, and you're gonna have your image in a more creative and frame face. Simple, right? In the case that I want to do again, choose another file, select another shape and add to the design, and that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I see you guys tomorrow. All the best!